Okay, hello Rockbridge County Pre-Calculus. This is my third attempt at the same video. I did it two different ways and it was sideways both times. This time I'm just leaving it. I don't care if it's sideways or not. So here is the notes. Here are the notes. We're doing modeling real-world data with matrices. Matrices is the plural of matrix. It's a rectangular array of variables or constants. They look like this, sort of. Actually, they usually look a little more like this. So they're enclosed in brackets. We talk about them in terms of the row and then the column. So this is a 1 row 4 column matrix or a 1 by 4 matrix. This is a 3 row 1 column matrix. So we'd say that's a 3 by 1. A square matrix is square. We're going to talk about identity matrices later. They don't matter right now. Very important to identify matrix elements correctly. A11 is row 1, column 1. A31 will be row 3, column 1. So again, row, then column. Two matrices are equal if they're the same size and they've got equal things in the corresponding places. And I'm going to show you adding, subtracting, and multiplying. For your first problem, talking about Mrs. Robbins in 2000. So we are going to put her 3 months in 3 rows, June, July, and August. The different kinds of feed in 3 columns, corn, soybeans, and oats. And those are the braces to show it's a matrix. 15,000 bushels corn in June. 2,000 bushels soybeans, 500 bushels oats. 13,500 corn in July, 6,500 soy, 1,000 oats, and 14,000 bushels corn in August, 5,500 bushels soy, and 1,500 bushels oats. That's it. That's a matrix representing her food, her feed. Well, to use a symbol to represent the number of bushels of soybeans in August, A is just for matrix A, and then what row is August? It's row 3, and what column is soybeans? It's row 2. So again, remember, row first, then column. Okay, that's it, A32. Matrix equation, so two matrices are equal if they're the same size. These are both 2 by 1 matrices, and the things in the same place are equal. So if they're telling you these two matrices are equal, it means that you have 2 equations, just like that. Solve by substituting. 2x equals 4, x equals 2, y equals 8. Of course you should check it, but that's basically all it means. Adding matrices, really, really straightforward. You just take what's in the first place, add them together, and put the result in the first place. So negative 7 plus 6 is negative 1. Negative 4 plus 10 is 14. 5 plus 8 is 13. 0 plus negative 9 is negative 9. 3 plus negative 2 is 1. Negative 1 plus 5 is 4. And that's it. That's the result of A plus B. Subtracting works very much the same way. I know, it's shocking. You're going to do 2 minus negative 5 and put the result in the corresponding place. 2 minus negative 5 is 7. Negative 1 minus negative 4 is 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. Negative 4 minus 7 is negative 11. Negative 2 minus negative 8 is 6. Negative 8 minus 4 is negative 12. That's it. You're not going to have to do this thing every time. I'm just showing you what's going on. The one place that people mess up, be careful when you are subtracting a negative. Make sure you do it right. Check it. Put it in your calculator. Check it. Scalar multiplication. To do 4a, you multiply everything in matrix A by 4. So 20, negative 8, 12, 32, negative 4, negative 36, and voila, that's 4a. Combine things. 2x is going to be 8, negative 12, negative 6, and 0. 3y is 27, 81, 0, negative 9. and then we subtract them, and the result is 8 minus 27 is negative 19, negative 12 minus 81, negative 93, negative 6 minus 0 is negative 6, and 0 minus negative 9 is positive 9, and this is 2x minus 3y. Oh, sorry, ran it off the page. That's the result. With matrices, with this stuff, with adding, subtracting, and doing scalar multiplication of matrices, things work the way you expect them to. They will get a little more complicated when we multiply matrices by each other, but this part is really straightforward. I'm going to put the rest of the packet in another video so that my phone doesn't give up halfway through my sentence. So make sure that you watch the next video as well, part 2. See you there.